Arba Vardat is a mild and captivating fragrance that harmoniously blends fresh floral and fruity notes. It opens with a refreshing burst of bergamot and zesty lemon accompanied by sweet lively fruity tones. In the heart, jasmine adds richness while rose and ylang ylang introduce a romantic creamy and slightly exotic floral complexity. The base is warm and comforting with sandalwood and musk providing depth and sensuality, while vanilla adds a smooth sweet finish making it an inviting and elegant scent suitable for any occasion. Performance elements of Arba Vardat. Longevity. Arba Vardat offers moderate longevity, typically lasting between 8 to 12 hours on clothing, due to its balanced base of sandalwood musk and vanilla. The fragrance has a steady fading with top notes being most prominent in the first hour and base notes lingering through the rest of the wear. Sillage. This fragrance has a soft to moderate sillage creating a gentle enveloping aura around the wearer. It doesn't project aggressively but leaves a delicate pleasant scent trail noticeable in close proximity. It's ideal for those who prefer a fragrance that complements rather than dominates a room. Season. Arba Vardat is particularly well suited for warmer seasons like spring and summer, where its fresh and fruity notes of bergamot, lemon, and jasmine shine the most. However, its creamy vanilla and musk base make it versatile for autumn, while the lighter floral notes prevent it from feeling too heavy for winter. Occasion. This fragrance is versatile and suitable for a wide range of occasions. It works beautifully as a daytime fragrance, providing an elegant and refreshing feel for casual outings or work environments. The subtle yet sophisticated combination of fruity and floral notes also makes it a great choice for evening events, where its soft sensuality becomes more apparent. Type. Arba Vardat is categorized as a mild floral fruity fragrance with hints of musk and gourmand elements. It strikes a balance between being uplifting and romantic, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate light but elegant fragrances. Style. The style of Arba Vardat leans toward feminine and elegant with a soft, graceful character. It offers a sophisticated charm that suits women of all ages who enjoy a blend of fresh and floral elements without being overly sweet or intense. Mood. The mood of Arba Vardat is uplifting, graceful, and comforting. Its blend of citrus florals and warm base notes evokes a sense of calm joy and understated sensuality. It's perfect for enhancing a confident, radiant, and approachable demeanor, making it an excellent choice for both personal enjoyment and social settings. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.